Hi, this is George Townsend from MVLS, here to talk about some common misconceptions related to criminal record expungement in Maryland. Some of the most common misconceptions we see around expungement relate to what sort of cases get expunged automatically and when that automatic expungement occurs. Maryland does have a process for the automatic expungement of some criminal cases when they don't end in convictions. If a criminal case ends with a disposition of acquittal, not guilty, dismissal, or no prosecco, and that disposition occurred on or after October 1st, 2021, then that case will automatically be expunged 3 years after the disposition was entered. Older cases that have one of those 4 dispositions are eligible for expungement, but it won't happen automatically. A petition still needs to be filed with the court for the expungement. For cases with those dispositions that are less than 3 years old, Marylanders can file for an earlier expungement before that 3 years has elapsed, but to do so, they have to sign a general waiver and release that discharges the complaining officer, the law enforcement agency, and the state of Maryland from any claim for wrongful conduct related to that case. So that's a decision that former defendants have to make. If they want an earlier expungement, they do have to waive some of their rights before they can get it within that 3-year period. Another common source of confusion in Maryland is which convictions are eligible for expungement when there, again, has been a conviction, a finding of guilty in a case. Maryland does not have a blanket expungement process that applies to all convictions or to all felonies and all misdemeanors. Instead, it has a list of specific criminal offenses that are eligible for expungement when a conviction has been entered. If a person is convicted of a crime and they want to see if it's eligible for expungement, they need to check Criminal Procedure Section 10-110 of the Maryland Code to see if the specific criminal charge that they were convicted of is on the list of eligible convictions. And then also check that same statute to see what the specific waiting period is for that specific offense. If you want to learn more about how expungement works in Maryland, be sure to check out the many expungement resources available on the MVLS website, mvlslaw.org, and let us know if there are any expungement topics that you'd like to learn more about. Thanks.